In this Excel video, I will teach you how to sort and filter with the right mouse button. It's so fast. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. Here I am in an Excel spreadsheet with lots of information about some fictional employees. And generally, if people wanted to sort data like this, they might just click anywhere in the data and then go to the Home tab, look in the editing group, and there is sort and filter. So they could sort A to Z and it's done. You can also go to the data tab to do a sort and filter. So those are perfectly fine ways to sort, but look at how much faster this is in some cases. I'll just right click anywhere in column C because I want to sort by employee last name. And there we have sort A to Z. And all of the employee data is now sorted based on employee last name. I could, of course, do the same thing with first name, right click, sort A to Z. I could sort based on hours worked. Just right click, sort largest to smallest. Alvaro and Luis worked the most. Now I'm going to switch to my second spreadsheet. Cell color is what it's called, because I want you to see that you can sort not just based on alphabetizing or numbers largest to smallest, but you can sort based on color. So I'll right click anywhere in the spreadsheet and I'll do a sort, put selected cell color on top. So maybe all of the employees highlighted in blue, I'm thinking of perhaps giving a bonus to. I can sort all of them to the top, and now I have an easy list of whom to give bonuses to. Now I could also right click on yellow coded employees and put those on top, and notice that it now is sorting both of those colors toward the top. And I could right click on blue again if I want to put that at the very top and perform one last sort by color. So now I have those employees that I'm likely to give a bonus to here at the top, and then maybe some that I'm considering below. Now you'll notice over here on the right, I shouldn't have changed the cell color all the way across the data. That's okay. I can clean that up very easily just by switching that data to no fill. Okay, let's jump to my third spreadsheet, font color. Let's say I've changed the font color for employees whose licenses are expired and also those that are almost expired. So I'm going to right click on an employee with yellow font color. These are employees that their license is almost expired. So I'm going to choose sort, put selected font color on top. So all of the yellow coded text is now at the top. And then I'll right click on one that's red, choose sort, put selected font color on top. So now I have a list with all the employees who have expired licenses and those that are almost expired. So those are several different kinds of sorts that we can do just by right clicking and choosing sort and then the specific sort. Now I want you to notice that there is also a custom sort that brings up the advanced sort options. And you can do multi-level sorts. You can do all sorts of things. I also want to point out this option here. My data has headers. If when you do your sort, your column headers get sorted into the data and don't remain here at the top, you're going to want to do a custom sort and make sure that that checkbox is checked. Once you've done that on a specific spreadsheet, you should be able to sort with the right mouse button as many times as you want. Without going to custom sort, you can just do sort A to Z, sort Z to A, whatever you want to do, and the column headings should stay in place. Okay, now let's do a filter with the right mouse button. Let's say I only want to see the marketing team listed here. Instead of going up and using the filter button right here with several clicks, I can just right click on any of the cells that say marketing, and then I can choose filter by selected cells value. And this does a couple of things. It adds a filter button to all of the column headings, which is very useful, and it filters out all the data about employees that are not part of the marketing department. If I want to change that to another department, I can just click here and select finance and maybe get rid of marketing, click OK. Now I could right click in column D, go to filter and choose clear filter from department. Now all of the data comes back into view, and I can perform a different filter. Let's say I want to filter this time based on hourly wage. Maybe I want to know only the employees who have an hourly wage of 11. They need to get a raise, so I'll right-click on that, and I'll choose Filter, Filter by Selected Cells Value, and these are the employees that I want to give a raise to. So in many cases, a right-click sort or a right-click filter is the fastest way to perform these important effects in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, I want to say thank you to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you so much. Also, please share this video with others that you think could benefit from it. And if you want to learn more about sorting and filtering, please watch my other videos on those topics. You'll learn a lot more than what I've shown in this video. And if you haven't already purchased these just astonishingly attractive technology for teachers and students t-shirts, what are you waiting for? You need to get one of these for you and every member of your family and every one of your friends. Let's get going, people.